I want to encourage you. If even if you are facing many trials and difficulties, if you obey God's will and follow His plan, one day God will reward you greatly. Maybe you think Christian life is easy, but Christian life is not an easy life. It's a narrow path. You must suffer for Christ, but that suffering will help you to grow spiritually. Throughout the Bible, we see that many God's people suffer and become a role model for others. Jesus Christ also said, in this world you will be trouble, you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. And also Paul also said, we rejoice in our sufferings, knowing that suffering produces endurance, and endurance produces character, and character produces hope, and hope does not put to shame. Remember that God has a perfect plan for you. You know about Job life, everyone knows.